Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the world of resin crafting with a spotlight on the best silicone shark mold available in the market. This versatile mold from Jiofaviu promises to bring your epoxy resin projects to life with its unique 3D shark design. Let's explore what makes this mold a standout choice for craft enthusiasts. The Jiofaviu large 3D shark resin mold is crafted from high-quality silicone, measuring 6.69 inches in length. Its flexible and smooth surface ensures easy demolding, essential for creating flawless resin pieces. Whether you're making earrings, rings, or decorative items like candle holders and flower pots, this mold is designed to deliver exceptional detail and durability. For resin enthusiasts looking to elevate their crafting experience, the Jiofaviu shark mold stands out for its quality, ease of use, and the ability to create stunning, professional-grade resin pieces. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this mold is sure to inspire creativity and bring your artistic visions to life. In conclusion, the Jiofaviu large 3D shark resin mold is a must-have for anyone passionate about resin art. Its durable silicone construction, coupled with its versatility and ease of use, makes it the best choice for creating intricate shark-themed resin crafts. Elevate your crafting projects with this exceptional mold from Jiofaviu and unleash your creativity. That wraps up our review of the best silicone shark mold on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and crafting tips on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!